Welcome everybody to the Husqvarna Motorcycles Husky Trek New Zealand. We are here in New Plymouth. I'm so excited for the first ever Husqvarna adventure ride to take place in New Zealand over the next 3 days. So guys, we are at the Husky Motorcycles Husky Trek in New Zealand, and Sean, you have run everything for this one.
So it's really cool to actually have the first one in New Zealand and be the second country in the world, which is really cool. And I'm proud to be a part of it, proud to have set it up, and thanks for all the assistance from Rosie to be able to put it all through together. So excited, let's go 3 days of riding, it's gonna be good.
Well, thanks for doing the hard work so I can go riding, but I can't wait. My trusty 701 is ready to roll. I kind of want to ride the Norden with WP, but maybe I can
make it happen someday.
I'll kick Junior off.
Day 3.
Perfect.
Awesome.
How was that?
Epic.
We're delayered.
Delayered, getting too hot. Yeah, I haven't had to pedal like that for a little while.
Yeah, awesome climb that, bloody great, fantastic.
So what pressures we running now?
Probably about 25, a bit too much, so I'm just letting a little bit out. So just the old knee test, that'll sort it. So we'll see how we go on the next climb.
Live in a beautiful part of the world.
Not bad, eh?
These are pretty good tracks, aren't they?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad.
Ooh, are you getting the shot, Rob?
Yep, hold on there.
How'd you get on? How was that?
It was pretty tough. It was
Yeah?
alright. Yeah, few wee lie downs.
Few reload in.
Yeah, yeah.
Today's been it's been a big day. It's been a tough day. You probably see the sun's gone down because it's been a long one. And this morning was full of team building. I think is probably the best word. Everyone got stuck in. There wasn't a person who wasn't covered in mud from head to toe when they came and saw me at the end of the day. It's going to be a big one. Another good day. And Kevin Archer's going to be planning the route and know a bit about it. And it's just going to be another cracker, I reckon. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Signing off. It's going to be a great one.
So we got some awesome trails up in the Rangitotos, and then lunch at our place, so Lynn will put on a good spread. And then this afternoon another couple of little breakouts, and then off to Taupo.
It's deep.
I was told it was deep, but I didn't think it was this deep.
It's really cold.
say the GPS centre versus
But you're enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah. How can you not enjoy yourself? Even if you're in the car, just listen to Beethoven for 3 hours. It's still good.
Awesome. Yep.
Got a plan?
Yep. Going to plan. No, it's bloody good. Awesome tracks.
Yep.
Seen some real good stuff.
Been the best bit so far.
Probably going through the bird sanctuary and up to the tree. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. Yeah, no, it's been good, man.
What a day 2 of the Husky Trek New Zealand. We had another sensational day. We had more epic farmland, we had epic forest tracks, and we had, let's call it a 16 chili section that was only about 20 meters long, but it was epic. All the riders helped each other. We got through as a team and it was so fun. Can't wait for day 3, final day of the Husky Trek, which is a little bit sad, but bring it on. So good. You! And we get to see the mountain. Mount Pehu. I'm very glad that I have a New Zealand tour guide.
Hello.
No, you can't.
Bacon and egg. Staple diet.
Get a nut.
And a mocha.
That's going to help you just keep carrying on from
Gorgeous. Morning.
How are you?
I'm good.
Any wise words for today?
Yeah, stay upright. That's about it, really. And just remember, I don't do blood.
Epic, you don't get so much of this in the South Island. Can't beat it.
Oh, that was epic. Yeah. A lot of forest, a lot of trees. Yeah. Some bloody good riding in there. Awesome stuff.
Fantastic 3 days. It changed every day from start in New Plymouth. We're in Taupo, the most beautiful day you can imagine. Having a beer in hand, I think winning.
End of the 2022 Husky Trek New Zealand. First Husky Trek in New Zealand. Sounds like it's been an awesome day. Awesome weekend, awesome 3 days of riding. Enjoy the riding so far?
It was so good. It was honestly so amazing. There was so much diversity. We had insane amounts of mud and a fantastic team challenge on day 1. And then we had scenery and we had like actually not slippery farmland, which was super nice on day 2. And then day 3, honestly, we had everything from epic gravel roads, forest tracks, and some single track for days. My arms, I honestly can't feel them, but it was so much fun to kick off the inaugural Husky Trek in New Zealand. It's amazing. It's amazing to see. The riders had a blast. So yeah, it was so much fun. Thank you, Sean.
Awesome. So yeah, looking forward to 2023 Husky Trek. Now we've got the first one underway, and yeah, looking forward to having you back next year. Thanks for the Australian team coming over to help us out, and without you guys it wouldn't be possible. Without the riders it wouldn't be possible. So thanks to everyone for coming out and making it possible, and see you next year.
Husqvarna Motorcycles